What are you doing there, Spider-Man?
Well, the economy hit everybody pretty hard. It's getting harder and harder to make a living. And, wait, who are you?
I'm Career Center Girl, and I think I can find you a career that's suited to your skills.
Oh, good. If I don't find a job soon, MJ's gonna kill me.
All right, then, let's fly after the Career Center.
You know I can't fly, right?
Well, Spider-Man, as you can see, we're here at the Career Center. They offer a variety of help for all your career needs.
Well, what exactly do they offer?
Well, let's go inside and see. Action.
Wow, I didn't realize the Career Center was so helpful. This new job is perfect for a hero with my skills.
Just remember, the Career Center is open to all OC students. Good luck with your new job.
Thanks, Career Center girl.
You're welcome, Spider-Man.
Sometimes I really wish I could fly.